my name's Emily. I live near Canary Wharf, live in a flat. I decided to get aircon because my flat gets really hot in the summer. So I reached out to 2 companies. First company didn't get back to me. I was really pleased that Urban Cooling came back really quickly. So I pursued options with them and was told that actually this Incognito system is superior because you can still have an extractor fan, which saves money in terms of the water costs. It looks nice on the wall. Doesn't look like an ugly unit that takes over the living room. The gentleman who came out to do the survey was nice and he was very understanding. He talked me through the process. I then went to the showroom where he showed me it in action, and I saw how it worked for both heating and cooling, which was the other advantage over some systems. And then I decided to go ahead. The invoice process was quick and easy. They kept in touch throughout. They were happy to answer any of my questions. Then when it got to the install was painless. There were quite a few people here, but they kept out from under my feet and they were as understanding as possible. Also had the decorating redone afterwards, all done to a high standard. They even picked up the paint from me from my parents' house to try and colour match as closely as possible. So been really happy from start to finish.